Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Stock Pivot Pre-Market Analysis. Let's deep dive straight into market insights. We'll start with S&P 500. We have a lot to cover today, so I'll be going little faster on the ticker. So S&P 500, we are looking for wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave 5, what we are looking at on the last particular candle. This particular candle, we are looking at the sell side pressure. This wick is the longer than the previous all the wick, and then we have the shorter wick with the price spin. We have a top doji candle. So this is where we were looking at the market to start the sell-off. Right now, it's undecided candle. Today's candle will decide the market direction. Once the market fall below 9 EMA, it's a complete negative and the bearish outlook. If the market started selling right here, then this is the first price target we are looking at to sell off into 578.37. This buy side order block of the institution of 567, I think is 30 million. Yeah, there is no doubt. So it's 30 million share right in this area. So this is what we are looking at for the institution buy order. The next candle will decide. So undecided candle, next candle, market drop straight into 578 and then continue upward. This 1 to 5 wave that we are looking at, 1, 2, 3, all the way here, 4 and 5. This 5 will convert in a longer run into wave 1. And this rejection here and sell-off will become the wave 2 and 200 EMA right in this area at the pivot. And then what will happen? The market will start the bull run towards $700.99. So wave 2 must happen here now until 20th of July. That's the time range theory. So from now until 20th of July, the market must sell off into this area if the market want to stay bullish into wave 3. So that's for the S&P 500. We are looking for a sell-off. We are still holding our put spread, which most likely in the profit today. There was a reason that we were holding this put throughout when the price was shooting all the way to 604. Still, we were holding. We knew it. So that's for S&P 500. If you're looking at 30-minute time frame for the day trade, we are looking for 594 all the way to 603.703. This is the range we are looking right in this area. Most likely it's bearish because of the Iran news and everything. So we are looking to trigger the sell-off on the daily time frame in this area. Moving forward to MSTR, MSTR is into wave 4. So this is in the wave 4. Also the bull flag. If you look at carefully, this becomes the pole and this becomes the flag. When the price is in the flag, it follows the zigzag pattern. Up, down, up, down, up. Most likely the third point right here. The maximum it can retrace into $330. That's the bottom in the bull flag and then break out towards 470. This is where it's heading, 470.58. So this is wave 4. Wave 4 will be longer than the wave 2, this one, because it's expanding supply. This supply was quick. So it started right here, 1, 2, 3. This range theory right here, it most likely it will take the double the time into range wave 4. So if we look at this one, which started on 27th of March and ended on 9th of April. So this was about 12 days. So I'm looking for price to stuck on MSTR in this range for about 24 to 26 days in this range. And then a breakout towards 470. So this is expanding. So we double the time frame in this area. And then the breakout means we need more consolidation in this area, more than the wave 2. That will make it break out towards 470. So zigzag pattern here, right in this area, no major breakout for next couple of days, and then a breakout towards 470. So moving forward, AI, we have a rejection on the 200 EMA. Stock is bearish. This is the box we have displayed. This is where we are looking for entry to drop into 22, 23 area. Right now, if you look at precise, 23.75. So right when we took the exit right here, in this area, our exit was 29 some change. So above $29 we took the exit. We knew it, this will drop. Although we were not in a big profit, we had a very minor profit like a dinner money. Still we decided to cut our position because we have booked profit on AI multiple times, at least 20 times. So we have been trading it all the way. But we knew it when this wick came. We knew it, the liquidity swap has already happened and the market will sell off. But this is what exactly happened. This is the box we are looking for re-enter. The point of line 23.42. That's the area. More precise detail is in the Discord, but this is the area we are looking at. Right now, we are bearish on AI. We are looking to build our entry again to go into a reversal into 30.24, and the maximum it will go to 33.67. The next sell off on AI will be at 33.67. So this will pull back into wave ABC right here, somewhere in this area, 22 area, 23 area, and then the bull run will start, and then the next sell off will happen at 33.67. So we want to build our position and then exit in a 32, 33 area and do not trade again. Moving forward to GameStop, we have been trading this stock even before the earning. This stock should have not dropped below 25 area. So we were hoping 25 area. We knew it, the max pain point was 25 area right here. So anything below 25 is all sell-off because of the public offering. The company announced to raise $1.75 billion. But yesterday at 21.67, I called the bottom, and this is what I was looking at. Right here, the trend line. So what we are looking at now, we are looking at a recovery back into 26.49 first price target, because this gap will fill. If I change the candle, you will see that this will not go unfilled. Look at this one, and I'll show you the similar pattern in the stock before. So you see this gap right here between these two candles, this gap all the way to 28.27. Same thing happened even in the previous earning right here, this gap, and then slowly the demand came and the price went up and filled the gap, and then holding this area before the continue. So this is what will happen. The demand will come slowly. It goes down by the elevator, it will go up by the escalator. So it will take time to fill this gap slowly, like this one, like in a couple of weeks down the line, and at least not in next 12 days now, because that's what the public offering is closing. So after the 12 days from now, or the 11 days maybe today, yeah, it's been 2 days, so 11 more days from here, the stock will stay sidelined close to the bottom, and then it will start recovering slowly and go into 28, 27 area. That's where it will fill the gap, and then a little bit of correction from 28, 27, another correction a little bit back into $1 or $2, and form a base in this area, which is the golden Fibonacci area, and then break out towards 30.34. So it will go in 2-step upward from here. So like this, it will be little longer, then little bit of correction, and then something like this right in this area. So this is what is going to be the demand. Expanding demand, fill the gap, sell off, and then the next breakout. Moving forward to SMCI, we are holding our 65 short put, which will continue holding. We are looking for 47.80 and 49.37. This is what we are looking at on this one. So we are bullish overall. We are prepared for both sides, because this is quite a volatile stock, and a lot of retail investor trade this. It can fluctuate either side, but right now we are in wave 5. What we are looking for 49.29. So 47.80 to 49.29. This is the area that we are looking at. The first 49 will be out. Stock may be heading into $60, but we will not be trading after 49.29. This is where we will be out of this position, the current position in 65 short put. So what we are looking at, we are looking at above 200 EMA, a consolidation after this breakout. So you had this breakout, and after that we are consolidating above 200 EMA. So there has to be another breakout in a similar pattern, like sharp breakout towards 47 and 49 area. We are waiting for that one. But this particular stock, when you have a high beta, high volatile stock and retail favorite, it's very important. Any stock which is retail favorite, you need to trade both sides, and you need to be ready for both side breakout. There is no guarantee that the breakout will happen. That's a guarantee. There will be a breakout on this one, but there is no guarantee it will be a bullish breakout. The institution short seller can take over and bring it down back to 30 to 33 area. But we are ready for both sides. What we are doing, we are holding for 65 put with 22.95 premium here. Our break even is about $40 on $43 on that one. So we are on almost break even on our short put. So what will happen if it break out to 49.29 or even 47.80? We will be closing our short put of $65 short put for profit. If it's drop back into 33, 34 area, right away we'll be shorting another ATM put further down for the same date, 16 January 2026, and collect even higher premium for the another one. which we have been doing for last couple of weeks now. Every time it dropped, we short another put, then it recover, we close that put, we continue holding our 65 put. So we are playing both sides on this one. It doesn't matter whether it break out bullish or bearish, which side it will break out. We are ready for both sides. Both sides we are making money. Every time it dropped, we short another put down, ATM for 16 January 2026. Anytime it will break out 49, we'll close our 65 put and we are out of the trade. Goodbye with the profit. So both side play. Moving forward to NVIDIA, I'm looking for a retracement on this one. We have hit the price target when we were looking at, when we were sitting at 100, even $98, we knew where this was heading. Our price target was 139.84. We have hit our price target last couple of days back, right here, 139 area. So right from 98, we were looking for 139.84. 139.84, we are in extension. Also, if you look at, we are in wave 3. If I give you the wave here, so it started from here, wave number 1, wave number 2, and wave number 3. We have reached the top of the wave 3. Wave 4, we are looking for 152.92, right in this area before it goes to 160 area. So this wave 4 has to come now, which is also the reason on S&P 500, because NVIDIA has a lot of influence on the S&P 500. If S&P 500, NVIDIA sell off, the S&P 500 sell off. And that's what I'm looking at here. Wave 4 has to drop in this area. Now the price has to drop into 125.92. This buy side order block of the institution. This is where the institution has purchased in this area, 126 area. So the price will come down. More institution buy will happen in this area above 200 EMA, right in this area. If I extend the 200 EMA, you'll understand what I'm talking about. This 200 EMA right here. So wave 4 at 200 EMA, order block retest and continue towards 160. So drop from here, 125.92, and continue towards 160 area. So we are looking for wave 4 before we have another breakout on this one. Moving forward to Tesla. Tesla, I have been bearish since I closed my position at 355.89. Since then, I've been bearish. And if you look carefully what's going on here, we are in wave B. This is not the upside breakout. Doesn't matter robotaxi, doesn't matter Iran, Israel, doesn't matter. We are in wave B. There will be one more sell-off and the price will drop under $300. Most precisely, the next bottom is somewhere around $247. That's the next bottom. The stock will bottom in that area sooner or later, 247. So what will happen if I give you the wave here? So right here. So wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So wave 5 right here is completed. Now we are into wave B. So those who are getting excited with this, wave 1, this is B in this area, which we precisely pinpointed, 333.84. The wave 3 will drop, wave C will drop right here, right in this area. This will be the point right here. This candle bottom, 247, this area, third candle, 1, 2, 3, fourth candle, the bottom of this fourth candle. This is where the price will go, 247, and mark the bottom. Also this, the island pattern, if you see the bending market on the top right here, if I can show you. So this curve, the bending market, will complete in this area. Like you see this, right, this one. So this is where it's heading into, right here in this area. Once the price drop into this area right here, 247, we will start the next bull run. And why the price is coming here? After the falling wedge, the price breakout upside. After that, where is the liquidity grab? Before the price goes, institution will take the share from the retail investor. Liquidity has to happen. And this is where the liquidity will happen. Liquidity will happen at 247. So suddenly at around 250, 247, suddenly the retail investor will start giving up their share because they can't hold it. If someone is bought it at 371, they can't hold it for 275 or 247. What will happen? They will give up their share at a loss. They will cut down their position. Stop loss will be triggered. Liquidation will happen. Margin call will come. So there will be a lot of liquidity in this area, 247, 250 area. Suddenly what will happen? Institution will grab and boom, we will start the next bull run. So 247 and straight up. Overall, this year, if you are looking for a long-term plan, there is a possibility. I have already alerted that price target back in January that this year I'm looking for 553 minimum on Tesla. 553.69. That was the price precisely alerted back in January. So that's where I'm looking at the next bull run. If we drop into 247 area, then from there we will go to 553 year end, most likely. January, most likely January next year. This is what we are looking at, because February, next year, February, again, we'll see the market volatility going up and market sell off. So from July to January 26, I'm looking for the Tesla to bull run towards 553. So this is on the Tesla. Moving forward to Mara, we have a rejection on the 200 EMA. Not a good sign right here in this area. We had a multiple rejection, not one time. We were looking for a breakout here, continue towards 17.24, and then even into 19 area, right here in 19 area. But this particular candle, there has been multiple rejection. Look at the wick. Every time it's penetrating through 200 EMA is getting rejected. Up, down. So not even a single candle has managed to close above 200 EMA. This is also the trying to penetrate, but again failed. So this has been going on since 12th of May, and today is 13th of June. Almost a month that the Mara has not been able to break 200 EMA. Overall, stock is bullish. We are looking, we are waiting right now. We are trading with covered call. We will wait until this 200 EMA is broken upside. So it's not a buy right here, but instead a covered call play. You buy the share, you play the covered call. What's the downside we have? We have this order block right here in this area, equal low right in this area, higher of this particular candle, lower of this particular candle right in this area, which is $13.96. Let's say round up to $14. So max pullback $14 upside. So this is the window that we are looking to trade on this one. So from $17.24 to $14, this is the window you are looking at. Every time it drop into 14 area, you are a buyer. Every time it's good or goes above 17 area, you are an like profit taker. So this is the window you are looking at. Every time 14 you buy, every time 17 you are out. So this is the window you need to look at. Moving forward to UNH, we have been bullish on UNH for last 15 to 20 days. We have been making money. We have been continuously trading and will continue trading all the way to 338 and the maximum price target 427. So we'll continue trading on UNH. It's we have booked, I think, 3 to 4 time profit now on the 250 short put for 16 January 2027. We'll continue. We also have 17 January 2027 short put, which we sold around 310 area, which is also almost at break even now. That put we are not closing until the price goes to 428. Our trading short put is 250. Our long-term profit plan on $310 short put, that will make hell of money if this goes to, because that premium is over $6,000 per contract. Moving forward to Wix, day before yesterday, I mentioned 3 days back when we had a double bottom that the Wix will shoot up. It will shoot, it did. And again, there is no stopping on the Wix. Wix will shoot up and that will make the S&P 500 drop. We are looking for 29.78. This is the price target we are looking at right here. Not just double bottom. Overall, the Wix has to go up. Wix has been under 200 EMA for a long time. And the volatility has to come. And the reason for the volatility to come in particular area, understand, Q2 earning is coming. As soon as the Q2 earnings start coming in, the market volatility will shoot up. What happens in Q2? Q1 is okay. Any company can give any kind of guidance. Oh, we will do the blunder this year. We'll rock the year. We'll make even if they are doing 2 billion, they will talk about, oh, we are going to do 10 billion this year. But what exactly happens after the 6 month has gone by? Now you can't give the wrong information to the public, to the investor. You can't say anymore, oh, in the first 6 months I have done 2 billion and next 6 months I'll do 10 billion. No, you can't do that. Now everybody knows that if you're done 2 billion, maximum you can do 2.5 billion for the next 6 months. So more clarity in the guidance started coming in. And that's why second quarter and third quarter earning, the market always sell off. So June, July, August, September, these months generally very volatile. And the reason being, with the picture of the company earning guidance become more and more clearer. You can say anything on 1st of January, oh, I'm going to do a fantastic business this year. But you can't lie in the month of July because now half the year has gone and you have to give a clear picture. So what happens after the second quarter? 99% of company, you will see that they will lower their guidance, and that's the problem in the Q2 earning, which generally happens July, August, September. People think, oh, September is a nasty month, the market sell off, August is the market sell off. They don't understand why it sell off, because most of the company, they lower their guidance. That's the problem. So every time you reach in August, every year, it doesn't matter 2021, 2022, 2024, 2030, 2035, it does not matter. Every year, Q2 earning, the company will lower the guidance. And lower the guidance means the stock will tank. And stock tank means entire market goes down and volatility goes up. And that's what happens in August and September. This is what we are looking at. So volatility will shoot up, lower the guidance of the companies. This is going to happen in next couple of months, like in July or September. As soon as the second quarter earnings start coming in, the wicks will shoot up. Okay, moving forward to Bitcoin. This is what we were looking at. If I show you what we were looking at, you'll be surprised. So on the Bitcoin, when we were very clear at $110,000 and 110,578 something, that the Bitcoin will sell off into 94, 93 area. Not everybody liked the idea that the Bitcoin will sell off, but this is what happened. We took the exit right here, right at this wick, this top wick, right in this area. 110, 357 or 537, something in that area. This is where we took the exit. We knew it, the Bitcoin will sell off. Now, a lot of people on the stock trade here, there, they are blaming, oh, it's because of the Iran. No, it's not because of the Iran. When you master your technical skills, you know precisely. It doesn't matter what's happening in the world. The news is a different story. That's an addition to your price target, addition to the trend that the market is following. But right here at 110, there was no attack from Israel to Iran. There was no news at all. But we knew it. This is where the Bitcoin will sell off. And it will go to 94 area. Right here. Not a lot of people even started commenting some bad comments on this one. Oh, this, that. Doesn't matter. We know what we are doing here. And we have been doing it for years. So this one. Sell-off is imminent. Drop to 94, 91 area is the bottom. Right here at 110,000 and now trading at 104. 6,000 drop. Yesterday, 1044 means when the post was posted a couple of days back. So what happened right here? When you see the equal high after the bull run, and I've clarified on the daily chart. Not many people understand, those who are in the group who understand MMC concept. This is what we are looking at right here. This is where we are. We are looking at the smaller version of this right in this area. This is bigger one. This is smaller one. Exact behavior repetition is happening right here. Market is a behavior of someone, buyer and seller is their behavior. And this is what is happening. You look at, so this run, this one after the falling wedge, price drop, this up, and right, we are right in this one. So right now we are in this downward. There will be one more breakout upside. So once the price come down into below 100,000 area, psychological level, or very close to 100, let's say 100,377. So precise 100, there will be one more run. The institution will never sell something that you can predict. They will come after your Bitcoin or your holding when you expect the least. So what will happen? They will, right now it's coming down, whatever the reason you give it, Iran news or sell off or whatever, they'll bring it down. Again, they will push it higher, all-time high. And that's when they will make the bull trap. Everybody will be trapped on this one, and before it goes to 94 to $91,000. And those people, those who will be trapped around 112, 115 area, they will all give up their position in 90, because as soon as the price reaches to 90, there will be a lot of negative news again. Oh, Bitcoin now going to $60,000, Bitcoin now going to $40,000. You see all the drama happens right at the bottom. And we wait for the buy that area. We want the drama to happen. We want the people to panic. That's where we go and buy. When there is an excitement in the market, we just watch from outside. So let people get excited when they are going to 115 area, and then we'll see them at 91,000 area. Yesterday, we have taken our position into ICP. We had a limit order placed right at After the exit at 599, we knew this will sell off. And also you can look at this demand and this demand. This is a repetition of behavior. Again, very precise, this and this, and then sell-off continue for next few days. This is what we are looking at now. The market will consolidate downside. Maximum downside, we are looking at 515. Our entry is 5.552. That's where I took the position. So it was a limit order. It got filled this night, around midnight. It got filled. We are holding our position. This position, now we are looking to exit at 716. If I can give you the precise wave. So next exit for the ICP will be if you need precise by the pennies, $7.06, 7.06196. That's where we are looking to exit. 7.06. So right here, 7.06. So this is where we'll exit the next position, right above this R3 level of the Fibonacci pivot. So right in this area, just above 200 EMA. So what will happen? Why we are taking an exit? So right here, the price will break out, retest, fall back to 200 EMA to retest before going to 916. So this is where the price will consolidate at 200 EMA. So it will break out, retest 200 EMA, consolidate for a while, like a couple of days, and then the next breakout, repetition of this structure again. So this is where we are looking to exit, 7.06. I have forgot one stock to cover, CVNA. All right, this is what we are looking at. CVNA, I will not touch this stock even with a 10-foot long stick. Okay, it's a highly retail favorite. Doesn't matter if the company is profitable or the business is good. I will stay away until you'll be shocked at what price. And give me a second. Okay, so here we go. Until the price of 254.71, which is wave 2. This entire run on this one is wave 1. It's bullish. Eventually, it may go to $1,000, but not until it comes down to 254.71. I will not touch this until this price has been hit, which is the retracement of this one, right in this area, right here. Okay, so 254.71, very bearish. Yesterday, in fact, in the group, I said short. When yesterday, when we were right here at some, what price I said shorted? Some $318, I think. Yeah. So yeah, 320.10. So 320.10, someone asked me that, what about CVN? And right away I said short this. And here is the reason. So right now, trading at 304. So already overnight, if you shorted 100 share, you are $1,600 in profit overnight. We are bearish on CVNA. It will drop to 254. And let me be very clear. I don't use that it should, it could, it will drop. Will means it will drop. So there is no may, if, but concept in our group. It will drop to 254 before it make the next leg upside. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if you have any comment or questions, you can post in the comment box. And I'll see the Discord member in the Discord for more precise trade. Thanks. Bye.